Hey, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, I want to show you how to create your own Memoji on your iPhone. So let's open iMessages on your iPhone, and you want to go to any kind of conversation, and now you will see here plus button. Let's tap it, and from the list of options you want to select Memoji. So let's expand this, and you want to tap this plus icon, and then let's press Get Started button. So here you can customize different range of features such as skin tone, hairstyle, brows, eyes. So basically features of your Memoji. Basically everything can be personalized right here. So when you're done, all you're gonna do is tap Done button in the top right corner of the screen to save this Memoji to your collection. So here are many options that you can customize. Okay, so let's tap this arrow to save this Memoji so I can see here my full list of Memojis. And after this, Memoji automatically turn into sticker packs in your keyboard. So let me open my keyboard. And here, if you tap this, that icon of stickers, of emojis, sorry, and if you scroll here to the very right, you will see here basically those stickers that I've told you about. So for different Memojis, I have those stickers. And that is basically it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.